Next type of the half cell, we have metal salt anion half cell. Yes, so the reversible reaction proceeds between metal salt, and the anion which is included in the formula of this salt. Let's see the example. Yes, here you have it. We have a metal, for example silver. In this case, silver here is covered by a salt, of course, need to contain cations of this covered metal. So this silver is covered by, for example, here silver chloride. This metal with this covering salt should be immersed in the electrolyte solution. This electrolyte solution salt needs to contain in its structure an ion of this salt which covers this metal. So for example, it could be potassium chloride, sodium chloride, and so on. Here you have it. Here you have the scheme. Yes, silver, single vertical bar, so the interface between two phases. However, these two phases are solids, yes, but those are different phases. This one is a metal and this one is a salt. And of course, another single vertical bar means that here we have an interface between solid salt and liquid containing chloride anions. In the half cell reaction, when this half cell works as a cathode, the reaction proceeds from left to right. So silver, which is contained in this silver chloride insoluble salt, is reduced to metallic silver. So this silver here gain the mass. Yes, the mass of the silver is increased, and the mass of this silver chloride decrease. Of course, we have also an increase in the chloride ions solution. If this half cell works as an anode, reaction proceeds from right to left. So therefore there is an increase in the mass of the silver chloride salt. And the last half cell type is redox half cell type. In the redox half cell type, every single component which take a part in electrochemical half cell reaction is contained in the electrolyte solution. Let's see this scheme. Platinum as a matrix, single vertical bar. So we have the interface between solid platinum, and aqueous, in this case aqueous electrolyte solution containing two different ions, but those ions are ions from the same chemical element. Yes? So we have iron, two types of iron ions. Iron ion with a charge equal to +3 and iron ion with a charge equal to +2. So we have a redox pair. Yes? So the half cell proceeds between this pair. Iron ions with a charge equal to +3 are reduced to iron ions with a charge equal to +2 if this half cell works as a cathode. If this cell works as an anode, this reaction proceeds from right to left. So iron ions are then oxidized. Of course, platinum, as you know, plays the role of a matrix. So let's see once again on this table containing all of these half cells, and of course with standard potentials of these half cells. Metallic type half cell, I mean this silver with silver cations. Here below we have this second type, I mean metal salt anion half cell. What else? Here you have, for example, redox half cell. We have two kinds of ions that take part in electrochemical redox reaction. We have gases half cell, hydrogen half cell. What else? Here you have this mentioned redox half cell with the iron cations with the charge equal to +2 and plus 3.